Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Clearsource 2-canister Premier Mini RV water filter system. Now this is an outdoor 2-stage water filter system that'll purify the water from your RV hookups and other exterior faucets. This will give you nice clean water for drinking, showering, cooking, washing dishes, and even more. Now this is the miniature version of the Clearsource Premier, which will give you an easy to carry and highly effective filtration system. Now the only difference from the larger Premier model to this Premier Mini is the size. It's about 5 1/4 inch shorter than the larger Premier model, and then the flow rate is a little bit slower. The flow rate on the Premier, the larger model, is 6 to 6.5 gallons per minute. The flow rate on this Mini model is about 4.5 gallons a minute. Now that's still about double of what a shower head is going to use. And I have these unscrewed just so we can talk about the filters. This is the first stage filter, and here's the filter right in here. This is a 5.0 micron coconut shell carbon block filter. This will filter out chemicals and sediment to improve the taste and the smell. And then once it goes through this one, it'll go through the second stage right over here. This second stage is a 0.2 micron filter, and this is going to filter out harmful bacteria such as E. coli and Legionella. Now the canisters they're in, let me take a filter out just to show you. These are FDA grade oversized canisters, so they're going to provide a high water flow for stable, long-lasting water pressure. And they do include this canister wrench, which will make it easy to remove and install the filters. So basically this one here with the filter already in it, if we just put it up on there, and you can see as you can start tightening it down, you can tighten it all the way by hand. And then once you get it snugged up by hand, just like that, you can take this filter, or this wrench, and then just put it on there, and it'll allow you to snug it up. And you don't want to over tighten it, you just want to snug it up to where it's nice and tight. You'll do it on the other side. Now the frame it's on is a powder coated freestanding frame. This will keep the canister stable on the ground or on a table. And it is a convenient plug and play setup, very easy takedown at any campsite. You just set up between the water source and your RV's freshwater connection. Now the hoses that'll go in here and out here, these hoses we do sell separately on our website. But basically you'll see over here we have a female hose where the water's coming in at, and then where it comes out this way after it goes through the filters, it's got a male connection. They are rust-proof stainless steel hose fittings, which are more sanitary and more durable than just a plastic fitting. This unit is IAPMO certified. It is made in the USA. Few dimensions on this Mini. Width on it is 11 inches wide, 10 inches tall, and about 6 inches deep. Operating pressure on this unit is, total range is about 25 to 100 psi. Ideal range is going to be about 40 psi to 65 psi. And the operating temperature range, 35 degrees Fahrenheit up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. But that's going to do it for a look at this Clearsource 2-canister Premier Mini RV water filter system.